So today what we're going to talk about is the $1 million process. We're going to make some money. How? I don't know how. That's a good question. But let's find out. Hey guys, so I actually made this video about a month ago. I wanted to create more content for you guys, but I had gastrointestinal problems and a bit of cardiovascular problems as well. But I missed you guys. So 38,000 subscribers, I want to say thank you very much. Today, I'm gonna tell you how to make money. Before I start, today I'm here with my friend Enes. Should a person be ashamed of having a side hustle?
I don't know why you should be ashamed of your side hustle. It pays your bills. You feed yourself with your side hustle. Why should you be?
Do you feed only yourself or your family?
Family also.
See?
You take care of a lot of things, my friend. Why should you be? It's not a good option, my friend.
So before I give you the list of side hustles or side jobs that you can do to earn money, I'm going to tell you two things that you will need for this. Number one, it's mentality. And number two, it's the 5 currencies of life. Let's start with number one. Number one, the mentality. If you don't have the proper mindset that you're going to accomplish this, you're going to accomplish your goals, you're not going to reach anywhere. And the most important thing is that once you do this, you need to apply it. Because if you don't apply it, it's just going to be like a computer sitting on a table doing nothing. Number two is the 5 currencies of life. One, it's cash. Everyone knows cash, everyone needs cash. But little do people realize that there is more to life than just cash. The second currency of life is applicable knowledge. What I mean by applicable, it's something that you can use in real life. So for example, if you learn coding or programming, or even a different language, you acquire a new skill set. Number 3, the CEO of Microsoft said that the most valuable currency of our generation is going to be attention span. And this is true. You can see this happening with applications such as Instagram, Facebook, and so on. Data, our attention span. Number 4 is your network. You are defined by the group of people that you surround yourself with. So for example, if you surround yourself with a bunch of programmers, you are more likely to become a programmer yourself. And number 5, last but not least, is the most valuable asset that people have in their lives, and some of them take it for granted. So please pay attention to where you invest your time. Before I tell you guys the list, you can actually do this in real life or from your computer. Let's start. First on the list, photographer, videographer. Anyone can do this. Anyone just holding a phone, preferably an iOS. I have an iPhone myself, and this is what I use to edit my own videos. You can also do this. Number 2 is social media manager. So what do I mean by social media manager? Facebook, Instagram, any social media site where you publish content. You can market it for other people. And a lot of major companies actually pay you to do this. This is actually easy for me because I learned it myself. But when I heard of it, I was like, wow, how could people get paid for this? Best thing about this is that you can actually learn this online for free. Of course, you can have better certifications if you pay more money, but it doesn't matter. The knowledge is there. Let's go. Number 3, sales. Sales is the core of every single business out there. Without a sales team, no company can generate revenue and they will not earn money. So if you want to improve your sales skills or if you want to learn sales, I highly encourage you to go to any company and apply for a sales position. 4th on the list is a language tutor. So the reason why I chose language tutor, most people from 2nd or 3rd world countries, they have the knowledge of 1 or more languages. So it's easier for them to get along with people from all over the world, or at least they try to. They're always trying to improve their lingual abilities. And if you're doing this, you can also help other people. Language tutor, translator, they both fall in the same category. So you could do this at the same time. I mentioned social media manager, right? Remember? So one of the things that you can do is you can specialize. You can, for example, become a YouTube social media manager. And that's something not a lot of people do or take into consideration. But if you go to Lingua Marina, for example, she's one of my favorite YouTubers. She mentions that she actually needs a YouTube channel manager. So this is one thing to keep in mind. Number 5, Uber or taxi driver. If you own a car, then you can easily do this. I personally wouldn't do this because I don't own a car myself. I think it's a good side hustle. Number 6, something that most people own, which is either a dog or a baby. Funny comparison, I know. You can actually become a babysitter or a dog walker during your free time. Number 7, flipper. What do I mean by flipper? A person who flips things. So for example, if you buy an iPhone, you could sell it later with an earpod or an AirPod, and you can make more money, you can earn some profit. I hope this helps. If it does, like, subscribe, and comment down your thoughts below. I check every single comment. Speak to you guys later.